There are a lot of rumors about why I left. Well, let me set the record straight. First of all, let me assure you that I was not paid to come to this company. It was a business decision that I made based on facts. I've been a businessman my whole life. Businessmen make business decisions, not emotional decisions. We put 10 wonderful years into the last company. I still love the owners of my former company, but I felt this was the best decision not only for my family, but for my whole team. We were willing to give up all that we had to do something we felt would be so much better for everyone, not just us. So we felt it was time to move on. Coffee is the easiest, simplest product to network market. After 20 years in this business, I think I have found the right product, but most importantly, it is the right compensation plan. I knew we made the right decision when we had people in my group who made more money in the last 3 days than they did all last month. As you can see, this business is already starting to explode. This was a tough decision because many people have hurt feelings. I am so sorry for that. But it was not tough when I looked at it like a businessman. Why? Because I feel Organo Gold is going to rewrite network marketing history. Organo Gold is solid, the leadership is experienced, and most of all, the people just like you and me are making money right off the bat. Why? Because it's easy, it's simple, it's coffee. If you are happy where you are, that's great. I'm not trying to recruit anybody, but if you're interested in seeing what we saw in Organo Gold, then we need to talk.
I am super excited and thrilled to have Rick and Brenda Ricketts to join the Organo Gold family. It was just a little over 4 years ago when I had actually heard their name for the first time. And every time I heard that name, it was synonymous with work ethic, leadership, success, and also caring for their people. I had a chance to work side by side with them, and I experienced it as well. I experienced so many different people who had a lifestyle change just because of their decision. And to know now that I get a chance to work directly with them and to have them as a part of the Organo Gold family, I'll tell you, the future not only looks bright for Organo Gold, but it looks bright for every single person, I believe, who becomes a part of the Rick and Brenda Ricketts team. So Rick and Brenda Ricketts, welcome to...
Nobody questions coffee, okay?
Me being originally German, I'm an avid coffee drinker, so that is right up my alley.
You know, even though I don't drink coffee, I can promise everybody looking at this, coffee is not going away. Never. Never.
We like the idea that, you know, that Starbucks has already made it socially acceptable to pay $5 for a cup of coffee, and here we can sell someone a cup of coffee for $1 a cup. That's absolutely phenomenal.
Every time somebody has a cup of coffee, I can get paid.
Binary is so explosive. I don't understand it completely, but it works.
Yeah, we made more in 3 days, you know, in residual income than we would have made all month with the people that we had before.
Right.
So it's absolutely wonderful.
We've already personally sponsored 17 people into the business, and I think we had this morning 92 people on the team.
In the last 4 days, I think it is, we personally sponsored 12 people, and we have over 54 people in our team.
People are very, very excited. There's an enthusiasm, there's an electricity in the air.
We've been in the business 3 days, and we already have somebody in our group in Greece. It's amazing.
You don't have to know somebody to override somebody in another country.
I mean, I'm still in corporate America. I'm still working. You know, our background was 25 years of mortgage banking. You know, so I'm at the bank in the break room, and everybody's lined up at one coffee pot. That's a clue, okay? And I come in with my packs of coffee, and I open it up, and they smell the aroma, and I'm just giving out samples, you know, and talking to people at work. It's very natural, very natural.
Our first 3 days in the business, we got so excited. We actually have already qualified for the Ben's Club.
Everybody is doing the exact same thing. You learn 4 steps, you ask 4 questions. Very, very simple. You can do it in your sleep.
You know, the thing about this is I don't drink coffee, but you know what? The owner of Purina doesn't eat dog food either.
It's absolutely imperative that you make a quick decision and stick with that decision because it's ultimately going to make you a lot of money.
It's very easy, it's simple, it's coffee.